Water Park Day, a splash of fun. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fun and exciting phrase, Water Park Day. This phrase is not just about a place or an activity, but it's also packed with cultural nuances and the joy of leisure activities. Let's dive in and make a splash in understanding this phrase. Water Park Day refers to a day spent at a water park, which is a type of amusement park featuring water play areas, such as swimming pools, water slides, splash pads, and sometimes even lazy rivers. The phrase evokes images of sunshine, laughter, and water-based fun. It's often associated with family outings, summer vacations, or a day off from the usual routine to enjoy and relax. In many cultures, especially where the climate is warm, water parks are popular destinations during the summer. A water park day can be a special treat for families, friends, or even as a solo adventure. It's a phrase that often brings to mind happy memories, relaxation, and excitement. You might hear this phrase in various contexts. For example, a family might say, "We're planning a water park day next weekend." Or a friend might ask, "How was your water park day?" It's a casual and informal phrase, perfect for light-hearted conversations and sharing plans or experiences. Let's look at some vocabulary that often accompanies this phrase. Slide. A smooth, sloping surface for sliding, especially in a playground or water park. Pool. A small area of still water, typically one formed naturally. Splash. The sound of a liquid hitting or being moved rapidly in a body of water. Lazy river. A shallow pool that flows similarly to a river, a common feature in water parks. I hope you've enjoyed learning about Water Park Day and feel ready to use this phrase in your conversations. Remember, language learning is not just about words, but also about the cultural and emotional contexts they evoke. Have a fantastic day, and maybe plan your own water park day soon.